Since its establishment in the year 1998, Xinzhou Welding has been dedicated to the R&D, design, production, and sales of automated welding equipment. After nearly 3 decades of continuous development, we have become a leading enterprise in China's resistance welding industry. As a national high-tech enterprise, Xinzhou Welding operates a 16,000 Mammogram 2 modern production facility committed to providing diverse, functional, and professional welding solutions to support industrial upgrades. From developing complete sets of specialized resistance welding equipment to the successful launch of the Yizhou machinery project with a 50,000 Matua 2 plant and 80,000 Matua 2 total facility, Xinzhou Welding adopts an advanced project-based management system. We have dedicated R&D teams for key products such as IBC cage welding lines, steel grating welding lines, reinforcing mesh welding lines, and rebar truss welding lines, ensuring efficient coordination from requirements analysis to final production implementation. Each piece of equipment from Xinzhou Welding is a product of collective wisdom and dedication. We operate large-scale modern workshops, finished product inspection centers, advanced R&D testing equipment, and are supported by a highly skilled engineering team to ensure that every machine meets industry-leading standards. With years of experience in IBC production solutions, Xinzhou Welding has achieved full automation in IBC manufacturing, automatic tube feeding and welding, valve welding, leak testing, assembling, capping, and palletizing. The automation upgrade significantly improves production efficiency while reducing labor costs. Xinzhou Welding understands that every customer has unique requirements. That's why we offer full customization services for our IBC cage welding production lines. For customers with limited floor space, we can design manual tube feeding devices to optimize layout. For high-capacity demands, we provide automated tube feeding and shrinking solutions to enhance automation. For special materials, we adjust welding parameters to ensure reliable weld quality. Xinzhou's IBC cage welding line is more than just a machine, it's a tailored production solution designed to fit your needs. The steel grating welding line is one of Xinzhou Welding's flagship products, favored for its high current capacity, excellent drainage, energy efficiency, and low noise. It is widely used in walkway platforms, maintenance passages, stair treads, and industrial fences. The system uses an advanced welding control unit for automatic positioning of flat steel and crossbars, capable of welding 2 twisted bars simultaneously with adjustable spacing. The entire line includes smart edge trimming, cutting, and automatic stacking systems to ensure high efficiency and consistent product quality. The reinforcing mesh welding production line is widely used in construction and industrial sectors. Utilizing automated welding technology, it can quickly complete large area rebar mesh welding tasks. It features high welding speed, precision, and ease of operation, making it ideal for bridges, tunnels, building foundations, and other large-scale infrastructure projects. The rebar truss welding production line is a high-end solution custom-developed by Xinzhou Welding for the prefabricated construction sector. It features high automation and productivity, with an intelligent control system that allows for quick switching between different truss specifications. It is widely used in high-rise buildings, industrial plants, and bridge construction. From production to after-sales, Xinzhou Welding has earned a strong reputation through outstanding product quality, exceptional service experience, and competitive pricing. Our IBC cage welding production lines have received high praise from customers in Mexico, the USA, and Malaysia for their stable performance and excellent service. In Russia and Oman, Our steel grating welding projects have helped clients improve efficiency through low energy consumption, low noise, and high accuracy. In Malaysia and China, our rebar truss welding lines have gained long-term trust due to high automation and reliable product quality. To better serve global customers, Xinzhou Welding offers comprehensive overseas project implementation services. Our professional engineers travel to client sites for equipment commissioning, technical guidance, and operator training, ensuring a seamless transition from installation to production. From commissioning and process optimization to full project delivery, Xinzhou operates with high standards and efficiency to help customers quickly enter production and achieve expected returns. Xinzhou Welding stays at the forefront of the industry. Our products have won numerous awards, and the company is certified with ISO 9001 CE and recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and a municipal patent demonstration company. Xinzhou Welding is committed to driving the advancement of resistance welding in China through continuous innovation and complete industrial upgrading. We aspire to become a globally influential automation equipment enterprise, delivering superior welding solutions to customers worldwide. Let's join hands and build brilliance together.